Hi friends, today we're going to draw Pikachu. First, let's draw a curve for his head. Draw 2 lines for the side of his head. Remember to leave a space for his ears. In the center of the face, draw a dot for the nose. Beside the nose, draw 2 circles for his eyes. Then draw 2 little curves for his upper lip, followed by an open mouth. Now let's add the tongue. Let's draw 2 ears. Add 2 curves for the cheeks. Let's draw his left arm. The fingers are zigzags. I found them very funny. Now let's draw the waving right arm. And another zigzag as hand. Now let's draw his body. Connect the bottom with 2 lines. Let's add his 2 feet. They look like my feet. Let's draw the tail. It looks like a lightning, so it's all straight lines. Looks like stairs. Color the eyes, but remember to leave a little white space in the middle. Now we can color it in. Use whatever color you like. Have you seen Pikachu in other colors? You can pause the video if you need more time. Now let's add shade to make him look 3D. Now we're done with our Pikachu. We hope you enjoyed our video. See you next time. Bye.